Hey! So today I thought I would show how to do a hack with just the Perfector. So I have a couple of people who want to just use the Perfector, so I thought I would show y'all how. This is the Perfector from Maskcara Beauty, and it's damp. I got it wet, and then basically you want to put it in a paper towel and squeeze all the excess water out. Okay, so this is my Perfector. All right, and now I'm going to take my HAC here, and I have my highlights and contours. Now, I think probably the best thing to do, well, I'm going to do this way, and then I'll do it another way. So, there you go. All right, so I'm going to take my contour with my damp Perfector, and I'm just going to wipe a little bit on and wipe the contour where I want it. And I was thinking about putting the colors on with my fingers, but I just thought I would start here. Let's see what this does. And then we can always upgrade. So you're going to end up with more product on your Perfector, so you want to make sure that you don't get too much, just because it's going to hold more product. Okay, so and then I'm going to put a little bit under my chin and then just blend it down. Okay, and I'm blending it down right beside my throat right here. And that will give me some more shape to my neck. Okay, now I'm just going to turn it a little bit. If you're doing your whole face, you probably need more than one Perfector, but I have one right now. So I'm going to dip it in my highlight color, which I'm Sandy and Mango, and then I'm just going to put it on like so. And I would stipple to some degree, but the whole purpose of the Perfector is that you stipple so you get it all where you want it. And it gets in all those little spots. Okay? I'm actually liking this. I might have to do this more often. So this is absolutely fabulous for mature skin. So if you have mature skin, get your Perfector and try it out. Okay, and then I'm going to come over here to my blush, and I'm going to use Hollywood, and I think I'm just going to do this. So you sort of blend it out really good because you're using the sponge, so you're not going to really need to blend this much. All right, so I'm just going to go in and tap because I already blended all this up here, blended this. That was pretty dang easy. How about that? Okay, so brightening highlight, I think if you're using the Perfector, brightening highlight, so I think that I would use just put a little bit on your finger, like so, and a little bit on this side, and just like that. And then you're going to take your Perfector and just pat it out, just like so. Okay, so there you go. That is quick and easy. So I hope that helps give you some ideas. If you're doing a small spot, I would definitely maybe, especially if you need to get it. Let's see, we can put some bronzer on with this too. So we'll put a little bronzer on. The bronzer works great with the sponge. So there you go. Ta-da! I'm all ready. Now I put a very light layer on, but that worked out great. So there you go. I hope that helps, and this is pretty easy. So if you have any questions, just be sure to give me send me a message, and I'll be happy to help you with your makeup. If you would like a color match, the color match link will be down below or in the link in the bio. And but you need a color match to get the right colors. So let's get a color match, and then you can decide what all you would like or not. So anyway, talk to y'all later and have a great day.